Hello everyone, there is massive recruitment in Australia. So if you're a worker and you're looking to migrate to Australia, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you visa sponsorship jobs you can apply for right now, and these are in different industries, so you want to watch this video to the end so you see all the vacancies that I'll be showing in this video. And one amazing thing with Australian visa right now is that you can get a decision in 3 days. The Australian Home Affairs Office recently announced that visa processes are going to be in 3 days for certain occupations, right? So I did a video on that. You're going to find the link up here and in the description below. So check out that video to know if your occupation is among those that are going to be getting their visa application decision in 3 days only. So do check that out. All right, so if we are just meeting, my name is Jackie, and on this channel I share content to help you migrate abroad to work, to study, and to live. So basically I share information about amazing opportunities around the world for you. So if you want to be seeing this kind of information on YouTube, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss it when I share a new video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thanks for always coming back to watch my channel. You can support my channel by liking this video, so hit the like button so I would know that you appreciate the content I share on here. And I have something special for YouTubers and anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel. I do encourage everybody to start YouTube channels. So I have a channel where I teach people how to start YouTube channels and how to make money from YouTube channels. So check out my channel, Jackie Finance. On that channel I share tips and strategy on how to run a successful YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. And I also share other side hustles that you can do all online. So if you're interested in starting an online business, then check out Jackie Finance and see how you can do that. All right. So back to these jobs in Australia, I want to show you jobs you can apply for right now, and they have visa sponsorship, right? So these are new jobs just recently advertised on this website, and they are in different occupations. Like I always say, you can migrate to Australia, with different occupations. Like people usually just focus on healthcare, you know, things like that. But there are so many others. Like this is for a bar restaurant manager. So if you're a bar restaurant manager, you can actually apply for this job from outside Australia and move down to the country if your application is successful, right? So there are many occupations like this that I'm going to show you in this video. So you don't just focus on healthcare, IT, and there's so many occupations, right? So this is for a bar restaurant manager, and you can see here that visa sponsorship is available. Yeah, so it's something worth trying. So you can click here to apply. I'm going to share these links in my Telegram group, so you can go check it out there, or you check out this URL here. This is the URL. So if you type this out, you get to this, and then you can apply. So the website is Workforce Australia, obviously, as written here. All right, so this is one of them. It's a full-time position, and it closes on the 15th of April, right? But it's always good to apply as soon as possible. Don't like wait for, when it's closing, because they may find someone that, they want to hire even before it closes. So it's always good to take advantage of opportunities immediately you see them. So you can apply for this like today if you are a bar restaurant manager. Okay, so remember they said here they're looking for an experienced. This is a management position, so you obviously need to be experienced in bar restaurant for you to take up this job. So it's always good to apply to only the jobs you qualify for, right? Just to avoid, let it not look like these people don't want to hire from overseas, because many people just see jobs and they just apply even when they don't have the qualifications for it, and then they feel like, oh, I've applied for so many jobs and people are not getting back to me. So always apply for the ones you qualify for. Okay, if they're hiring someone from overseas, you need to be like well qualified for the position. Okay, so yeah, full-time position, eligible to offer work, sponsorship visa for the right applicant. Yeah, so that you can click here to apply for the job. Okay, so let's see the next one. This is for a community-based occupational therapist, visa sponsorship for onshore applicants. So if you're in Australia, you can also check this out. So I have people that watch my channel from Australia and from outside. So when I share stuff, it's for everybody. So even where, they say they have visa sponsorship, they want to, they want to hire from overseas, it does not mean like they're going to reject applications from within the country. No, they are still going to accept applications from within the country. So if you're in Australia, you want to apply for these jobs, go ahead and apply for them as well. You can get these jobs also. All right, so this is for a full-time position. There's visa sponsorship for this, right? And work hours is 38 hours per week, and the salary is $75,000 to $92,000 per annum. So you can click here to see more details. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what other details they have for us. So community-based occupational therapist rather, with visa sponsorship. So these are the details of this. So you have the roles and responsibilities, and we also have benefits here, competitive salary, and all. So you can look at it, and then the requirements as well. So if you have all this, bachelor's degree of occupational therapy or equivalent, and then the other, registration, professional registration, and of course 6 months experience. So this is it. So if you qualify, then go ahead and apply. All right. So next up is a cafe manager. We are looking for a full-time cafe manager to join our team in Brisbane City. A morning person, right? You have to be a morning person, a coffee lover, must have experiences in coffee and hospitality. We are a licensed cafe and bar restaurant, open 7 days, doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner, bistro cuisine. So if this sounds like you, then of course go ahead and apply. This closes on the 14th of April. Yeah. So you click here to apply. Like I said, this is the link, and you can find it in my Telegram group as well. Okay, next up, midwife, and it has sponsorship. So let's just click here to see details about this. Midwife with sponsorship. So about you need to be a registered midwife. You need to either have a degree as a midwife or postgraduate study in midwifery, and then of course your professional registration and all. And then they have sponsorship to live and work in Australia and relocation reimbursement. So there's a phone number here where you can contact them, and also an email address to send in your application as well. So all that is available here, so you can check it out. Okay, let's quickly see the next one. This is for a chef, right? So if you're a chef, there's so many chef positions in Australia with visa sponsorship, like so many of them. So it may be something you can look into. You can like go into it, get your certifications, get your experience, so you can take advantage of this job. Like there's so many chefs are really needed in Australia, so you can check that out. If you know anyone that is a chef, share this opportunity with them. Let them know that they can move down to Australia to be a chef. And the salary range here is $65,000 to $67,000 per annum, and sponsorship is available for the right candidates. All right, so that's it. Next up here is for a registered nurse. Visa sponsorship is available as well. So we all this Randstad, I've done a whole lot of their openings. They usually have a very good relocation package, so you can check them out. If you're a nurse, you're a midwife, you're in healthcare, you can totally check out this recruitment agency and see the job they have available. It's always really good. Okay, so we can see the details of the job right here, and they say relocation reimbursement, right? Sponsorship to live and work in Australia. So it's always really good. So you can check them out and apply for the job if you qualify for it. So let's just see the next one here. Bar restaurant manager. This is another one. So you can apply as well. And then another one here is for a midwife, and sponsorship is available. This is another one. So there are many of these kinds of jobs, so you just need to know where to find them. So this is Workforce Australia. You can go there and look for jobs. Workforceaustralia.gov.au. Just go there, search for jobs, and apply for them. they have a lot of jobs that have visa sponsorship. So if you're outside of Australia and you're looking for a company that will sponsor your visa down to the country, then this is a very good website to check. So these are amazing, amazing job opportunities in Australia that have visa sponsorship. So do take advantage of them. I have a playlist on my channel for everything Australia, the different kinds of visas, in Australia. Australia has like 1 million different visas. There are so many. And I've done videos on many of these visas. So check out the playlist up here and in the description box below so you can know which visa works best for you. There are visas for people that don't want to write IELTS, right? And there are visas where you don't need a job offer to apply for the visa, different kinds of visas. So do check the one that best suits you in that playlist. All right. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And also like this video, to show support. If you appreciate the content, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. And of course, turn on the post notifications so you would know every time I share a new video, so you don't miss out on any important information that will be of help to you in your relocation journey, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.